Question 1 is integral 0 to 1 by root 2 and sine inverse x by 1 minus x squared 1 minus x squared to the power 3 by 2 dot x. And this question came in CBSE 2007. CBSE 2007. Abdur, I have checked your homework and you have not completed the assignment 2 because there are 23 questions in assignment 2 and you have done 17 or 18. Okay, so
Yes, I'll share the rest.
okay, good. And for Rifat, please share your assignments. Okay. Now please try this question. Okay, and let me know if you need a hint in this question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this, we can take sine inverse x as t, right?
Yes, that's correct. Aman, please complete this question.
Okay, sir.
No, Fad, that's not correct. I will give you the hint. So here, if you will assume, let t, either you can say t or I can say theta. Okay, it's your wish. Okay, let's take it like this. Let t is equal to sine inverse x. Okay, so and differentiate it dt by dx. This will give you 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. So you will get dt is equal to dx by under root 1 minus x square. Okay, so here what you will get, uh, 0. Okay, we will write the limits later on. Now in place of this sine inverse x, we will write t. Now, or it is better if I will write like this. Just give me a minute. I have some network issue. Okay, so if we will write like this, 0 to 1 by root 2 sine inverse x. Okay, and in denominator we do not have only under root this 3 by 2. This means 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square. Okay, so under root 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square. Now substitute this value dot dx. So sine inverse x, you will write t in place of this dx by this one. Okay, so this part. Okay, we will write dt. And here 1 minus x square, what we can write? This can be written as x is equal to sine t. Hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, t is equal to sine inverse x, so that means x is equal to sine t. So put this value 1 minus sine square t. In place of x, we are putting this value. Now, what will be the limits? So t is equal to sine inverse x. When x is equal to 0, then t is equal to sine inverse 0, which will give you 0. So the lower limit will be 0. What about the upper limit? When x is equal to 1 by root 2, so we will get what? T is equal to sine inverse 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 means this will give you pi by 4. So here you will get a pi by 4. Okay, so here what we will get 0 to pi by 4 and 1 minus sine square t, this will give you cos square t dot dt. So here you will get 0 to pi by 4 t into sec square t dot dt. Okay, so here you need to use the by parts method because there are two functions which are getting multiplied. So please use by parts method here. Please complete it and let me know if you still have a doubt. Abdur, whenever you have a two functions which are getting multiplied, for example, in the differentiation, you have a product rule. Okay, so here you have a two function t and sec square t. Is it clear? Please check here. This is the first function, this is the second function. So if the two functions are getting multiplied, then you will use a by part method. Okay. Okay, which line first? This one?
No, about that.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, please check here. Here you have 1 minus x squared to the power 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 means what? Can we say that under root 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square? Under root means 1 by 2, okay? Here, 1 by 2. And here you have only 1 minus x square, so that means power 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2 will give you 3 by 2. So that means in place of 3 by 2, we can write like this, under root 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square. Is it clear? First?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now check here. We have assumed t is equal to sine inverse x. So here we have done dt by dx, which is equal to 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so dt is equal to dx by under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so in place of this dx by under root 1 minus x square, we have put dt. Then we have a sine inverse x. In this place, we have assumed we have put t. Then what about the denominator? In place of x, we have put this value. T is equal to sine inverse x, so x is equal to sine t. So in place of this x, I have put sine square t. Is it clear for?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now everyone please complete it and share your answer.
So then 1 minus sine square x is cos square x, right? The
Yes,
formula.
yes. Put so inverse log algebra, algebra is t, so that is first. Okay, after algebra you have trigonometry, so sec square is trigonometric function. That's correct for t is the first function, sec square is the second function. Uh, uh, Abdul, please learn all the formulas, okay? So integral of tan is log sec x, log modulus sec x. Okay. Abdul, why you are getting this? This is the formula integral fx dot gx. Write fx gx. Negative sign. Integrate this. Integrate this. Okay. Put a derivative here and put a integrate here. So this is the first function. This is the second function. Okay. So why you are getting t into tan t integral? Fx is t. Integral of g is sec square t. So you will get a tan t here. Okay. Why you are integrating this one now? Minus integral sign, derivative is 1. Integral of gx is t. So you will get a tan t here. Dot dt. Okay. So t tan t minus log modulus sec t. Why you are getting a different answer of this? Please again check the calculation and correct it. Good, Fat. This is correct. Very good. Now put the limits in this, Fat. Limits is 0 to pi by 4. Okay, I have not written the limits here. So please write the bracket. Write 0 to pi by 4. And here also please write 0 to pi by 4. Okay. Now please complete it and tell me the final answer. Everyone, please share your answer if it is done. Ahad, you need to put the limit in t also. Okay. So please put the limit and tell me the final answer. For Abdur, you need to put the limit in t also. Okay, you have written t minus 0. So in place of t also, you need to write the limits. You need to put the limits. Okay, so minus log root 2, this is correct. Log 1 value is 0. Okay, log 1 value is 0. Log root 2 is correct. In place of t, you have to put the limits. So now please tell me the final answer. So your answer is correct. You have just missed the limit. Aman, Fahad, Rifat,
Sir,
please.
should I integrate T?
Sorry.
Should I integrate T? You said
No,
one thing was.
no. Here we get a t tan t.
Yes, sir. In the place of T, tan T, I have applied pi by 4. So in the place of first T also I have to apply.
I will show you. Actually, you have given me the answer t minus 0. Okay. So my concern is why you are getting a t in the answer. Please check here. Put this pi by 4 here. So pi by 4. Okay. Tan pi by 4 minus 0 tan 0. Okay. So this then log sec pi by 4. Okay. Minus log sec 0. Now here pi by 4 remains pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay, minus 0. So pi by 4 minus 0, not t minus 0. Understood? Abdur?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So here sec pi by 4 means 1 by cos. So it will give you root 2. Okay, minus log sec 0 means log 1. Okay, so here you will get a pi by 4 minus log root 2 and log 1 value is
Minus
also
0.
0. Yes, minus 0. So I will write this pi by 4 minus log root 2. Is it clear to everyone? Fahad,
Yes,
Rifat.
yes, sir.
Okay, great, Abdur. Aman, Fahad, Rifat. Are you getting the same answer? Okay, good, Rifat. Fahad,
Yes, sir.
good.
Same answer.
Good. Aman, is it done?
Yes, sir. Just one.
Okay, very good. Second one. Okay, next is 0 to 1 sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square dot dx. Okay. And this question came in CBSE 2002, and you can also find this question in NCRT. So 2002 and NCRT. Okay, now please try this question and share your answer. And if anyone need a hint, please let me know. Okay, so inverse you have to solve. Okay, so I will give you the hint. Anyone can tell me the formula of sine 2 theta?
2 sin a cos.
2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, any other formula?
Sin
We
square
have
a minus 1.
sine square,
2 sin square a minus
2 sine square a minus 1. So that formula is in cos, okay, not in sine. In sine, we have one more formula, that is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, this is one more formula. This is also given in 11th book. Okay, so sine to theta, we have one more formula. So this will not be used here. You have to use this formula. Now I have given the hint. Now please solve this question and share your answer.
So, sir, tan theta we can take it as t.
Yes. So before that, before solving this question, you need to solve this inverse part. Okay, first you have to solve this inverse part, then you will integrate. So sine 2 theta is this, and what you can do, we have this function. Just write this function. Do not write integral right now. 1 plus x square. Let x is equal to tan theta. Okay, so I'm not putting this in integration. That's why we will not differentiate it. We are just simplifying this one. So here you will get 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And here you will get sine inverse. And here sine 2 theta. So by using the property of sine, okay, please write the property here, that sine inverse, sine anything, for example, write theta, you will get a theta. You already know this property. So you get it 2 theta. And what is theta here? Theta is, what is theta here? Theta you will get from here. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, so we have just simplified this function. So there is no need to differentiate it. So we get 2
So,
tan inverse. Yes.
so why are we taking x as tan theta so that we could get sine?
Yes, just give me a minute. So here you will get 2 tan theta. Oh, sorry. Theta is what? Tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x. Just give me a minute first. I will explain this to you. This is 2 tan inverse x dot x. Okay. Now we have sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x squared. So directly it is not possible for us to integrate it. Okay. Directly we can't integrate it. Okay. And in inverse, this we have a direct formula that sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x in inverse chapter, because but as the second exercise was not there in the syllabus, so we have not done that formula. So we will do the complete derivation. Okay, we can't integrate this sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. We need to simplify this one, then only we can integrate. Okay, so first you need to simplify this, that sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, put this value. So you get this one, 2 tan inverse x. Now in place of this sine inverse, you will write 2 tan inverse x. Now you have to integrate this one. Okay, you can't integrate the
So
sine
now we
inverse.
have to just apply the limits.
No, no, no. We have not yet integrate the function. Okay, we have just solved it. Here we have not used the formula of integral till now. Okay, now please integrate it tan inverse x. Once you have integrated it, then put the limit. So when we were doing the by parts, we have done a question of inverse function. Okay, so by the same method, please solve this.
So now we have to integrate by parts.
Yes, because tan inverse you can't integrate directly. So please use the concept of by parts and solve it. Okay, please turn your
So
pages.
sir, 2 and tan inverse x.
Uh, take this 2 outside. So you need to
Yes.
integrate now tan inverse x. Okay, please turn your pages. You have already done a question like this in by parts. Okay.
So how can we find by parts by only one?
Yes, that's correct. Please turn your pages. We have already done this. Okay. The problem is you guys are not doing the homework. So now you are stuck. Please find
We
out the
can
pages.
multiply by 1.
Yes, that's correct.
Tan inverse 6 into 1.
Very, very good. 1 into tan inverse x. Now please try it. So for which function we will take as a first and which one as a second?
Tan inverse x is like first. F
Very,
of
very,
x.
very good. And this one is a second. Very good. Now all of you, please complete it. If anyone further need a hint, please let me know. But I think you can solve this question. I guess tan inverse x we have already solved when we were doing the by parts. Okay. So please complete it, put the limits and share your answer. Pi by 2 minus log 2. Very good, Rifat. That is correct. Very good. Aman, Abdur, Fahad, is it done? Rifat has completed this. Is it done? Aman, Abdur, and Fahad?
Doing, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Aman, Abdur, and Fahad, please let me know if you're stuck somewhere.
Sir, I'm stuck after solving this by parts.
After solving this,
Yes.
okay, let me complete this then. So you have 2 here, then you have 0 to 1, x into not x, 1 into tan inverse x dot dx. Okay, so here everything is fine. This is our second function and this is the first function. So 2 after this, yeah, the formula is fx, so tan inverse x will remain the same. Integral gx, so 1 dot dx minus integral derivative of tan inverse x, that is 1 plus x square, then integral of 1 dot dx. Okay, and the limit is 0 to 1. Put the limit 0 to 1. Okay, please check here 0 to 1. So here you will get 2 tan inverse x. Okay. Okay, so we will put the limits at the later stage. Okay. So here you have 1 dot dx. So tan inverse x, here you will get then x, and the limit is 0 to 1 minus integral 0 to 1, and here you will get x by 1 plus x square. Okay, dot dx. Now write 1 by 2 and write 2 here. So this can be solved by using
So how
t.
do we get x to x by 1 plus x?
This one, you have to integrate 1. What's the integral of 1?
Third step, sir. Third step.
First again, which one? This one, huh?
Yes, sir.
So here we have only x, so that's why I have multiply and divide with 2. Okay, because if you will take this as a t, you will get this complete as a dt.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now here put this, so tan inverse 1 into 1. Okay, and minus 0 is there. Now minus 1 by 2. If you will solve this, then here you will get log modulus 1 plus x square, and the limit is 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay, solve this. 2. Here you will get tan inverse 1 means pi by 4. Okay, minus 0. Then minus 1 by 2. Here put the limit. What you will get log modulus 1 plus 1 minus log modulus 1 plus 0. So here you will get 2. It is pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. And here log mod 1 plus 1 is 2 minus log 1. Okay, so here you will get 2, and here you have a pi by 4 minus 1 by 2, and here you have log 2 because 1 is 0. Okay, in the bracket please write log 1 is 0. In the bracket please write log 1 is 0. Now multiply this with 2, so we'll get pi by 2 minus 2 will get cancelled out minus log 2. Is it clear? Fahad Abdur, Aman, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now please note down this, raise your hands once it is done, then I will give you a new question. Okay, Abdul, great. Aman and Fahd, is it done? Y2 means?
So can we apply log 2?
Apply log 2
We can
means?
write the value of log 2.
That's your wish. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I hope everyone has completed this. Now, next question. Question third. Third is integral 0 to pi by 2 sine x by 1 plus cos square x dot dx. Okay, please complete this and share your answer. It is very simple. What we can assume here in the substitution for, you have to use the substitution. So what you can assume as a t. Anyone? What we can assume?
1 plus cos square x.
No. Then you will not get dt as a numerator. Anyone? What we can assume here? Let t is equal to Aman, Abdur, Rifat. What we can assume here t?
So sin x.
But what is the benefit of taking this as sin x? You will get dt by dx
So
is
can you
equal.
take 1 plus cos square?
What is the benefit? Let t is equal to 1 plus cos square x. Now differentiate is dt by dx will give you 2 cos x minus sin x. So what is the advantage you are getting here? You guys need a lot of practice, okay? We are going to end this chapter in 2 or 3 classes. Please do the practice. Otherwise, the next chapter, application of integral and differential equation, you will face issue in both the chapters. In the numerator, we have a sin. Why you are not taking this t as a cos x? Assume it, let t is equal to cos x. Yes, Fahd, that's correct. Tan inverse T, yes. Now put the limits and tell me the final answer. Sorry, Abdur. Yes, Abdur, it is correct. Now put the limits and tell me the answer. All of you, please share your answer. It is a simple question. Uh, Good, Rifat. But the answer is pi by 4. Okay. So please check, Rifat, why you are getting this negative sign.
So,
Yes.
while applying tan pi by 2 is not defined, right?
Yes, that's correct.
So only tan inverse 0.
But when you are putting this, when you are solving this, okay, please change the limits in this case. What you have assumed, let t is equal to cos x, okay, then please put this upper limit pi by 2. What you will get? 0.
Yes,
And put
0,
next limit cos 0, you will get a 1.
1.
So you have to put these limits, okay, not 0 and pi by 2.
So we have to substitute, and then in that we have to check the values of it.
You have assumed t is equal to cos x, then dt by dx you will get what? Minus sin x. Okay, Rifat, very, very good. So dt is equal to, shift negative here, so sin x dot dx. Now what you will get in here? So sin x dot dx is dt by 1 plus t square. Now the limit we will put, this is from 1 to 0. Okay, so here you will get tan inverse t up there, not tan inverse x. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please complete it. And all of you, please share your answer.
Sir, how tan inverse T?
What's the integral of 1 plus tan is t square? Dt by 1 plus t square?
That is dot dx, right?
Sorry?
So it's tan inverse t dot dx, right?
No, why dx? When you have integrated it, this is dt. When you have integrated it, why you are getting a dx or dt? Hmm? So the limit is it clear, Abdur?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fourth, is it clear? You're not audible, Fourth, but if it is clear, then please complete it and share your answer.
Sir, pi by 4 is the answer.
Yes, that's correct. Final answer is pi by 4. Abdur and Aman, is it done? Aman and Abdur, is it
Yes,
done?
sir. Pi by 4.
Good. Aman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now next question. Now this question is from miscellaneous. Okay, and let me complete it. 0 to pi by 4. So sin x plus cos x by 9 plus 16 sin 2x dot dx. Okay, this is from NCERT miscellaneous, and this question also came in CBSE 2014, 2018. Okay, and NCERT miscellaneous. miscellaneous. Okay. Now please complete this question and share your answer. For it is also possible. Okay, because if you will see the previous year questions of last 10 years, and you can see some repeated questions. Okay. But I'm worried about your integration. We're going to end your chapter, and I think you just know 30% of the complete chapter right now. And why you have not shared the homework? I already told you that we will inform your parents on Monday if you will not submit. Shall I inform or wait for Friday?
So wait for Fridays.
Wait for Friday. Okay, then all the assignments. Okay.
Okay, sir, all the assignments.
Do you need a hint or you can solve this question? Okay, please check here. So this is a miscellaneous question, so you know it is not as straightforward. Okay, it is quite complicated. So in the numerator we have sin x plus cos x. In the denominator we have 9 plus 16 sin 2x. So anyone can tell me what should we have in the denominator so that we can get the numerator as a dt? Please do the calculation and tell me what you need in the denominator so that the numerator you will get as a dt.
Yes, sine 2x.
No, derivative of sine 2x is not this sin x plus cos x. Anyone can tell me what you should have in the denominator so that you can get this dt. What is it? What is a function whose derivative is this sin x plus cos x? Please use hit and trial method and tell me what should be the functions which you will differentiate so that you can get the sin x plus cos x?
Minus cos and
Minus cos x
sin.
and sin x. Let me check. So if we will differentiate this, sine will become cos, cos will become minus sine, so it will become plus cos x plus sin x. Yes, that's correct. Good. So it was Fard or Abdur?
Me.
Okay, Abdur, good. Okay, so all of you please check here. If in the denominator we will get this value sin x minus cos x, then we will assume it as a t, and in the numerator we will get a dt. Okay, hope this is clear to you, that if in the denominator we will write sin x minus cos x, then in the numerator we will get a dt. Now, directly we can't get the sin x minus cos x. Okay, but as we have a sin 2x here, and sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x, so that means if we will do the square of this, then we might get something. So sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so this sin x minus cos x whole square, what we can write 1 minus sin 2x. Okay, so sin 2x is already there in our question. What we can do, shift this sin 2x to the left side and this to the right side. So you will get sin 2x is equal to 1 minus sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x whole square. Okay, so in place of sin 2x, you will get this value. What you can do now, this you have 0 to pi by 4. Numerator you have sin x plus cos x dot dx. Here you have 9 plus 16. In place of this sin 2x, put this value. Put this value 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square.
So, but when we find the differentiation of sin x minus cos x the square, we get sin x plus cos x.
No, we will not take a square. We will assume only t. T is equal to sin x minus cos x.
Then so what about dt?
Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Please check here. So you will get a 0 to pi by 4. And the numerator you have sin x plus cos x. And here you have a dx. And the denominator you have 9 plus 16 minus 16 sin x minus cos x whole square. Now it is 0 to pi by 4.
So minus 16 from where?
Sorry,
Minus 16.
Opening the brackets.
we've just opened this bracket. Okay, 16 into 1 is 16. 16 into this is minus 16 sin x minus cos x. Is it fine?
Yes.
So here we have sin x plus cos x dot dx. And in the denominator, we have this 9 plus 16, which is 25. Okay, minus here we have 16 into this. 16 into sin x minus cos x. Okay, whole square. Okay, okay, now let t is equal to, if we will assume this, t is equal to sin x minus cos x. Okay, then dt by dx will give you what? Sin x is cos x, and here you will get plus sin x. So dt is equal to cos x plus sin x dot dx. So here you will get what? dt by 25 minus 16 t
T
square.
square.
Okay, now t is this, t is equal to sin x minus cos x. We will change the limits when x is equal to 0, when t is equal to sin 0 is 0 minus 1, so we'll get a minus 1 here, and when x is equal to pi by 4, so what we will get, t is equal to 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, 0. So here you will get a 0. Now you have to solve this on your own. Now it is algebraic function.
So now
Okay.
we just have to substitute, right?
No, we don't. Who have doubt? Abdur.
Yes, sir.
No, Abdur, why we will substitute? We have not integrated yet. Okay, so first you need to integrate this, then you have to put this. So I'm changing the slide. So please note down this, then I will change it again and you need to solve on your own. Okay. What's the value of sine square plus cos square for? Sine square plus cos square is what? Now is it clear for? Sine square plus cos square is 1. Okay. Please let me know once you are done and I need to change the slide. Is it done? Okay,
One
and
second.
okay.
No, sir.
Then, sir.
Okay, good. So I'm changing the slide now. Please check here. Now this -1 to 0, you need to integrate this. So it is of the form like this: dx by a square minus x square. So what's the formula? 1 by 2a log a minus x, a plus x. Okay, but the problem is here we have a x
Yes,
and
sir.
here
With x square we have 16.
16. So what we will do, take out the 16 common. Okay.
So can't we take 16 out of integral?
Yes, I'm doing that. So I'm taking that 16 outside this. So we will get 1 by 16, and here we will get dt by 25 by 16 minus t square.
Again, why 25 16?
Because when you will again multiply this 16 with this, then you will get this term. With 25, we don't have a 16. Okay. There is no 25 into 16. That's why if you need to take out the 16 from the complete term, from the complete expression, then you have to divide this with 16. Okay, please open the bracket. If you will
So
multiply
what
this,
happens if you don't take 16?
if we will do
We
not take
don't
16.
divide by 16.
Okay, please tell me here. Suppose if you have 3 plus 2. Okay, can you take common 2 from these two terms?
No, sir.
No. Okay, but if I will write like this, 3 by 2 plus 2. Okay, now if I will open the bracket, then what will happen? This 2 will get multiplied with this. So 2 cancel, you will get a 3. Then this
Yes,
2
sir.
will, I hope, sorry, it is 1. So you'll get, okay, now please complete it. Okay, so I have done 90% part. Now just integrate it. I have already given you the formula and put the limit and tell me what the answer you're getting. This is your last question, then our class will be over.
So can we take a as 5 by 4?
Yes, that's correct. You need to write 5 by 4 whole square. So that will be A. All of you, please complete it. This is the last question. First, we have taken the 16 common from the complete term, from the complete expression. Okay, here. So here we don't have a 16. For example, check here. Suppose if we have a 25 into 16 and minus 16t squared, then we can take out 16 common from the term because 16 is present here. Okay, here we have a 16, here we have a 16, so we can take out common. But if we have expression where we don't have a 16, then we can't take 16 common. So in such a case, what you have to do, you have to divide with that number. Or you can understand it like this, that I will write here. I suppose we don't have a 16, so can we write 16 into 16 minus 16 t square? Is it clear? For 16 will get cancelled out, so there will be not be any effect in the question. So I have modified your question like this: 25 into 16 by 16. Okay, now we can take out 16 common, so what you will get, 25 by 16 minus t square. Is it clear? For
So we should multiply with 16 and divide by 16.
yes, that's correct. Okay, now please complete it, all of you. Okay. All of you, is it done? Aman, Abdur, Fahd, Rifat, you get the answer? You just need to put this formula 1 by 2 a log a plus x by a minus x, and you need to put this limit -1 to 0. Okay, please complete this in 5 minutes.
So in place of t, we have to put -1 and 0.
In place of
So
in
t.
place of t, yes, that's correct. No, Abdur, that's not correct. All of you, please check here. Okay, please check here. So here you will get 16, 1 by 16. Okay, then this is 1 by 2. If we need 1 by 2 is, so I will write 1 by 2 into a is what? 5 by 4. Log modulus a minus x means 5 by 4 minus t. A plus x means 5 by 4 plus t. Okay, and here you have the limit -1 to 0. Okay, now 2 to this cancel. Okay, this will get cancelled. So here you will get 1 by 40. Then you need to solve this. So log modulus.
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay, let me check. Yes, that's log 3 by 2. No, 1 by 40 is correct, not 3 by 2. Please check here. 5 plus 4t. By here you have 5 minus 4t. Okay, then limit -1 to 0. So 1 by 40. Put the limits. Rifat, Aman, please share your answer if it is done. Now put this limit. So
So how
puts,
we get 5 plus 40? We took LCM.
yes, we have taken LCM 4. So 5 plus 40. In the denominator also we have a LCM 5 minus 40. In the denominator we have this by 4. In the numerator we have this
Okay,
by
so it gets cancelled.
it get cancelled. Now put the limit. So what you will get 5 plus 0, 5 minus 0 minus log. Okay, put this -1. So 5 minus 4 by 5 plus 4. Okay, so I don't have the space. I will write here. Okay, I don't want to
So
change this.
minus 4.
How -4? Put a -1. First we have put 0. Now
Yes,
please
sir.
put. Okay.
So 5 minus 1.
Yes, but here you have 4. Okay. So if you will put -1, then 4 into -1 is -4. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you will get log 5 by 5. Okay. Minus log. Here you will get 1 by 9. So here you will get 1 by 40. And here you have log 1 minus here you have log 1 minus log 9. Okay. So here you will get 1 by 40. Log 1 value is 0. So you can put 0 minus log 9. So final answer you will get as 1 by 40. And you will open the bracket log 9.
0.95.
Log
Log 9.
Okay. It's your wish if you want to put the value, or then you can put it, or this is also fine. Okay. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Please note down this, but you know only 20 or 30% of integration. Okay. If if your situation will be like this in the final exam, then believe me, this integration, application of integral, and the differential equation, you can't do these 3 chapters. Okay, so I will give you the time till Friday. If you will not submit all the assignments, not one assignment, all the assignment, how much we have I've shared up to assignment 8 is for indefinite. Then I've shared 9th and 10th also. So you have to do up to assignment 9, 10, up to assignment 10th. I need these assignments till Friday. Otherwise on Saturday, I will call your parents. Okay, so if anyone have a doubt, please let me know. Otherwise, we can end our class and we will continue this on Saturday. Okay. Please raise your hand if it is done.
So how did you take log 1 by 9 after that?
Log 1 by 9, we have this property log a by b is log a minus log b. Okay, so I've used this property log 1
Okay,
by
sir.
okay. So whoever has completed this, they can drop off. Okay, then I will end the class. Is it done? Rifat, Aman? Okay, Rifat, very good. Then if you wish, Rifat, you can drop. Okay, you're welcome.
So log 0 minus, so log 1 minus log 9, we have log
Yes.
8, right, sir?
No, not 8. It is log 1 minus log 9. Put value of log 1 as 0. Here also put 0. So we will get finally log 9. Okay.
So in the last step, 4 gets cancelled, right?
Which 4?
After taking LCM, like this 5
Yes.
plus 4 by
Yes, yes,
4, then
yes.
by.
Yes, yes. This 4 will get cancelled out. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, Abdur, very good. Okay, Abdur, then if you wish, you can drop. Okay, and till next